everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm highlighting the significant difference between Samsung A52, which I already have, and now Samsung A72. So both of them have more similarities than differences. Both cameras are like the same, the RAM are the same, the storage the same, the battery life almost the same. They are both OS Android 11. The storage is 128 gig together, even though the battery for the A72 is I think better. It charges faster. So I would say the significant difference between both of them is the fact that the A72 charges faster. It has bigger screen, then it has this telephone lens and optical zoom that is more like the ones that you find in professional cameras. So that's basically the difference between both of them. But all in all, I would say both of them are fantastic phones. So either of the two that you buy is actually a good buy. Both of them cameras are fantastic, and they are both water resistant. So I love both of them, and I think either of them is a win-win actually. So you can buy either of them.